My name is Sumit Suvarna, you're watching DESIgnition, and I've come back to Whitehorse Car Spa, and I'm shooting this video because the last time I came here, I did a video on getting my car washed and disinfected, and I mentioned something about the paint restoration treatment. And a few commentators, few viewers, including my friend Aditya Hari, asked me what paint restoration is all about and if I can do a video on that. And that's why we are here shooting this video. Back in December 2018, I got something called the paint protection treatment done for my Honda BRV. If you want to know what that is all about, the process, what goes into it, etc., you can find out by clicking on the link above, because I've done a completely detailed video on it. The link's above right here. Anyway, every 6 months I come back to Whitehorse Car Spa and they do something called the restoration. What that is? Well, keep watching the video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you can do that in the end. Keep watching. The first step of the process is a wash. Now this wash is a little different because of the disinfectants that are being used here. I won't talk much about it because I've done a video on that. You can watch it by clicking on the link above. After the car has been washed and dried, the next step is to remove the swirl marks and if there's any oxidization that has happened on the paint. There are some marks that have been left behind because of bird droppings, and we're going to try and clear that. They use this A10 compound for that. They are applying this A10 compound on the entire body, and once they are done with that, I think they're going to be applying the sealant. Yeah, this is platinum paint sealant, and he's now going to apply this everywhere on the paint and then let it dry for a bit. Okay, while they wipe off the sealant, let me show you something very interesting.
To get the machine heat up,
Okay.
it takes 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, this is a fog machine, and there's a chemical compound in it that has been approved by the BASF. And this is used particularly for vehicles to sanitize them from the inside. We're waiting for the machine to heat up so that we can start it. This is not a part of this package, more like a demo. But the reason they are doing this is when you do interior detailing, you cannot sanitize the tiny gaps and all. We've turned on all the AC vents, so it's going to sanitize the entire car from the inside, including the air conditioner. Okay, disclaimer, this is no hot box, I promise you. And this is how the car looks now. It looks fantastic. It really does. It looks good here itself. It looks great here itself. But I will also show you how it looks in the natural light tomorrow. There are no scratches, no swirl marks, nothing left. I'm going to try and get you another close-up of the bonnet. you'll have a better idea then. This is probably the best look, the closest look that I can give you for you to figure out just how smooth and clear the paint surface is right now. There are literally zero swirl marks here, none whatsoever. It's actually butter smooth. Alright then, as promised, here's the daytime look. Another reason why I'm making this video is I've often been asked as to how this car glows so much. Well, I think it's a combination of three things. One, the paint protection treatment that keeps it looking new even after almost 3 years. Second is the restoration of the paint protection treatment that I do every 6 months, which is a part of the 3-year package. And third is that I wax my car with Formula One Carnauba paste wax. I apply this wax every 1.5 to 2 months. Now the sealant that the car detailing guys have applied is supposed to last for a long time, but still I do this. And I guess that's why there is this extra shine that you see here. If you don't know how to properly apply a wax on your car or bike or cycle or whatever, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a quick video on that as well after a couple of months. That's all for now. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel so that I can keep bringing you more car news, reviews, maintenance tips, travelogues, etc. I'll see you soon.